Hi there, students. A feet, a countable noun, sounds exactly like the things that are at the end of your legs, but it's spelt differently. Okay, a feat is a rare or difficult achievement, something that is not easy to accomplish. Something that takes great skill, great courage, great imagination, great intelligence to do. An extraordinary action that almost nobody can do. So, a heroic feat. He did something that was incredibly brave. It was a feat of heroism. An athletic feat. Javier Sotomayor's high jump of 2 meters 45 was a real athletic feat. It's not something that anyone else has been able to do. So it's an extraordinary deed, something extraordinary that somebody has done. So a feat, a notable deed, a notable success. A feat is something that people admire, an achievement that people admire, because it's very difficult to do, or it's very brave. It's something really special. So it would be an amazing feat to get 1 million subscribers on YouTube. The building of the pyramids was a feat of Egyptian engineering, an amazing accomplishment. Learning to speak good English is a real feat. It's something difficult to do. Passing the CPE, proficiency, is a real feat. It's not an easy exam to pass. Okay, we have a phrase in English as well. Something is no mean feat or no small feat. So if something is quite amazing, you say that was no mean feat. Running 100 meters in 10 seconds is no mean feat. Mean here with the meaning of not being generous. Yeah? So it's not a small feat, it's a big feat. Getting the job as chairman of a major bank is no mean feat. An amazing thing to do. So, next question. What about formality? A feat. I'd probably give it something like a 6 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation. It sounds slightly literary. It's certainly very good in something semi-formal or very formal. In an essay or something like that, it would be a good word. Yeah? It would be a feat to use this word in an essay. A good accomplishment. What about origin? Well, it comes to English from Latin through Old French. In French we have a verb faire, to do, to make. Il fait, he does, he made, he makes. And fait and feat is the same word. That comes from the Latin facere, to do or to make. Okay, so a feat, a difficult thing to accomplish, something that takes great skill to achieve. No mean feat, not a small thing. Landing on the moon was no mean feat. Okay? So, a feat, an accomplishment, something people admire because it's not easy to achieve. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Feet.